Hello geeks, welcome to College Coders. So in this video tutorial, I am going to teach you about what is SQL and many other topics related to SQL. So first of all, we will discuss about what is SQL. So let's start. So guys, firstly, SQL is a standard database language used to access and manipulate data in databases. Okay guys. Then SQL stands for Structured Query Language and SQL was developed by IBM computer scientists in the 1970s. SQL is not a database system but it is query language. So guys, it is an important point where we will focus, that is SQL is not a database system. SQL is query language. Okay, clear? Then you want to perform the queries of SQL language on the stored data in the database. You are required to install any database management system in your system. For example, Oracle, MySQL, MongoDB, PostgreSQL, SQL Server, DB2. So if you want to perform some operations, then you can use this software and you can perform SQL queries on these software like Oracle, MySQL, MongoDB, etc. Okay guys. Then today's second topic is why SQL. Why should we use SQL? So first of all, nowadays SQL is widely used in data science and analytics. Following are the reasons which explain why it is widely used. So these are the reasons that's why we should use SQL. Okay guys. So first is SQL users is to insert, update and delete the data from the relational database. Okay. Then second is it also helps them to describe the structured data. Okay. It allows SQL users to create, drop and manipulate the database and its table. Okay. Then fourth point is it allows you to define the data and modify that stored data in the relational database. And the last one is it also allows SQL users to set the permission or constraints on table columns, views and stored procedure. So these are the five reasons and many types of other reasons. That's why we should use SQL. Okay. So today next topic is history of SQL. What is the history of SQL? Okay guys. So a relational model of data for large shared data banks was a paper which was published by the great computer scientist E.F. Codd in 1970. Okay. The IBM researchers Raymond Boyce, Donald Chamberlain originally developed the SEQUEL structure English query language. After learning from the paper given by E.F. Codd, they both developed the SQL at the San Jose Research Laboratory of IBM Corporation in 1970. Okay. Then next topic is process of SQL. Okay. So a structured query language contains the following four components in its process. First, query dispatcher. Second, optimization engines. Third one is classic query engine and the last one is SQL query engine. Okay guys. The next topic is SQL server architecture. So guys, you can see the SQL server architecture on the screen. First of all, SQL server have two components. First, system databases, then second one is user databases. And in system databases we have four components. First one is master, temp, db, msdb model. And user databases we have three components and multiple components you can create. Okay, so first one is user db1, user db2, user dbn, like that, etc. And user databases have data file, log file. Okay, and data file contains four types of group and four types of components. First one is file group, heap, extend and page. Okay guys. Then next topic is SQL commands. So these are the some SQL commands. So you can read here. The SQL commands help in creating and managing the database. The most common SQL commands which are highly used are mentioned below. So first is create command, second is update command, third is delete command, and fourth is select command, and fifth is drop command. Then last one is insert command. So these are the SQL commands. Okay guys. Then next topic is which companies use SQL. Okay guys. So you can read here companies that use SQL. The first is Microsoft, second is LinkedIn, third is Facebook, fourth is Instagram, fifth is Dell Technologies, sixth is Cognizant, and last one is Accenture. So multiple type of companies which use SQL. So these are the some companies which use SQL. That's all about the today video. So if you like the SQL information, then don't forget like, share and subscribe to College Coders and click on the bell icon for further video notification. Thanks for watching guys.